First I'm going to start with some light blue in the corner. Then a little bit of well, teal and then light blue. Cover that with dark blue. Crumple up our magazine. Oh yeah. Give it a little swipe. Another swipe. Cover that up. Now we're going to do some light purple. Almost like pink here. Now some other more light purple. Darker purple. Finally the darkest purple that I've got. Crumple up another magazine. Oh yeah. Now let's check this out. Let's give it a little swipe. A little swipe. Another little swipe. Another little swipe. Maybe get some blue in there. Nice. So we're gonna make some blue buildings. Gonna start with teal. Some sky blue. Put some dark blue in. Some more teal down. I'm going to cover this all up with dark purple. What we're going to do is we're going to make some buildings. Oh yeah. Now we're just going to go through and make some random stuff here. Random little buildings. Flick on some stars. Flick on some stars. Do some blue stars as well. Got some white to the planet. A little highlight. And then do some teal as well. Let's add some water. Do some light purple for the spots. Some medium kind of purple color. Dark purple. Cover this all up with white. Add some dark purple to the edge. Take a bit of white. Dab it. We're just going to gently do some of that. Dab it. You gotta dab it. Some of that. Some of that. Make sure you dab. Do a little dab action. Alright, let's sit on some fog along the horizon. Really light purple. There we go. Now let's check out how the planet turned out. Bam. Nice. So that's all done. Now what we want to do is sign it up.